looks the same. Well, I am stuck. I mean, that's a no magic zone, so we can't zap his metal. What about this? No? Well, I guess I'm gonna stop it here and check it out. Well, that was annoying. Okay, I'll show you what I missed. That was probably pretty obvious. You're probably screaming at the screen, "Hey, throw the switch!" And look, the anti-magic zone is gone. That's all it was. Stupid switch. Okay, let's go shrink the guy's middle. Do we have... Where do we leave it? Oh, we left it at the entrance. Hey. The hell? Oh, here we go. That looks a little messed up. Holy crap. That room looks this room looks horrible. Stop giving me these. Yes, more of these. 47 spell points. Okay, where's this portal go to? Do I even want to try it? I mean, here's downstairs. There's a mysterious... Mysterious portals. Does this portal just go down here? Yeah, it does. Or I get totally killed to death. So let's not go in those. Beeman! You're incredibly difficult to kill. Except when I cheat. Which way? Which way? Hey, there's his legs! There's a boulder! Let's shrink his legs really quick. Ah, they're not gonna make it that easy. Of course, boulders. Boulders everywhere. Always killing me. It's like the gauntlet of boulders here. Go down! Oh, whatever. Key. potion, which I'll use because I'm being hit by a boulder. I shall spear you. Don't like those guys. Where's another one over here? You gonna come get me? Yeah, you come get me. Yeah, you come right over here and come get me. There's another one. Yeah, come get me. Okay, I think I see a switch. Aha! Aha! You're just gonna stand there? Well, fine. You just stand there. You just stand there and let me spear you. God, this is turning into Stone Keep. Ah, beautiful. What is with the boulders in this dungeon? They're just completely out of control. Maybe I can, like, push this one. That works. The strength of the Titans. Very, very nice. So I wonder what this block was for. Just throwing mysterious blocks at me. Again, mysterious blocks. Spikes, a chest, beeman, in a very awkward position on a spinner. And he's not going to come onto the spinner because I guess he's blocked. So, take this opportunity to heal. That's pretty much the only magic I use. I mean, I have enough magic points now. I have 997. And another key. What's this do again? I'll use it. Like the bowling pin noise it makes. It's gonna keep pushing me forward. But I should do fine. You know what? How much does this cost? 310? I'll use it. What does that put me at? Whatever. Eat spear! Oh. That buzzing is very, very loud. I'm sorry for that.